Welcome to this video about ElevenLabs Dubbing. If you don't have ElevenLabs yet and you're interested in signing up, there is an affiliate link in the description which helps support this channel at no extra cost to you. So as a quick overview of ElevenLabs, it's one of the most well-known AI voice programs out there. It has a huge library of AI voices to choose from. You can also create a voice. You can do voice design where you enter in a prompt and it will create a few different voice options to choose from that sounds like your prompt. You can also do a voice clone or a professional voice clone, and you can update voices as well. You can also choose from the library of voices. There are a lot of different ones to choose from. You can select these filters to help narrow down exactly what voice you're looking for. You can create videos and projects in Studio. You can create ads in Flows. Text-to-speech is really what ElevenLabs is known for. You just type in some text, choose the voice you want, and record. There are also sound effects and music. You can also generate images and video. I think this is a very underrated part of ElevenLabs. The videos and images that I've generated have exceeded my expectations and have been very high quality. But the main reason for the video today is dubbing. So I will select dubbing here and go to create a dub. I'm going to use one of my existing YouTube videos. So I added in the link to my YouTube video here. The source language is English, and I'm going to choose the language that I want to dub it in. If you want to adjust the dub, you can select Create Dubbing Project. Number of speakers is 1 because it's just my voice on it. And you can select a specific time range to dub, or you can select the entire thing. So mine is starting at 0 and ends at the end of the video. If you want the voice dub to sound just like you can leave this unchecked because it will clone your voice for the dubbing. If you don't care if it sounds exactly like you can select this and it will generate it in a different sounding voice. Keep in mind, dubbing uses a lot of credits. So you'll definitely want a higher tier plan if you're planning on dubbing a lot of videos because it uses more credits than anything else I've used in ElevenLabs so far. So then you go to Create Dub. Okay, now my dubbing project is ready. So I'm going to go to Edit. You can see down here it says Original. I'm going to click on Spanish. And it shows you the translation directly over here. So it has a script and the translation. So you can click on play to hear. Obviously, to be able to check the quality, you do need to be able to speak the language that you're translating it into. I unfortunately do not speak any languages besides English, so I cannot attest to the complete accuracy of this, but you can edit the text over here and select generate audio again if you want to edit any of the script. And that can ensure the accuracy if anything was translated incorrectly. If you're happy with the dubbing, you just go to export and export your video. And that is essentially how to use dubbing in ElevenLabs. If you have any questions or you want to see any additional videos, follow along and leave me a comment. And if you don't have the program yet and you are interested, it's always appreciated if you click the affiliate link in the description below to help support this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.